Hello, good evening everyone. This is me again, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook page. Well guys, so to delete your Facebook page, first you need to sign into your page. After you sign in, you find this arrow, and if you click, you will see it will show your pages. So how many pages you have here, it will show. Like I have two pages. One is part-time job and one is We Share We Knowledge. So usually I will delete the part-time job for today. So you want to delete the page, you click on that page, and after that this page will open. So you see this page open, and again on the top you will see option called settings. You just click on settings. After you clicking on settings, the page will come where it will show lots of options and your details, but you scroll down and keep going down. Scrolling, after you scrolling down, you will see an option says at the end remove page. So this is the where it will show also delete your page, and this is the option you will use. So click on delete page, and then it will show you again another option, permanently delete this page, whatever page name you have. Like for me it's a part-time job. So again if you click on that, it will show you another message. Once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back, but if you want to use it in the future, you can just unpublish it instead of delete. But if you already determined to delete your page, then you just press on delete. But if you think you will use it in the future, then you can just unpublish it. But for me now I will delete. So click on delete. After you clicking on delete, it will say the delete page permanently, page deleted. So press OK. So now this Facebook page is already deleted. Now I will show you that I have this page already deleted. I have only one page now. So as you can see, this is the page I have, and then in the same where it says your pages, it shows only one page now. Before it showed me two pages. One is part-time job, one is We Share We Knowledge. But now I have only one page. It's called We Share We Knowledge. So I will show you in the same place from where I deleted it. So you click on this arrow. You see now where it says your pages is only one page. The other page is already deleted. Thank you very much for watching this video.